Hi, we're going to talk today about one-act plays because that's what we're going to be doing in this class, writing a one-act play. So the first question that might come to your mind is, what is a one-act play? Well, very simply, it's a play in one act. How's that for great information? Seriously though, it's a very popular form of playwriting right now, particularly short plays in the 10 to 15, 20-minute range, because you're able to produce several plays in one night, which gives more opportunities for actors and directors and playwrights to be performed in the same evening. So what are we looking for here? Well, the average is 10 to 20 minutes. And if you figure a page a minute for play as a rough figure, that gives you an idea of what you're looking at in terms of volume. To do a successful short one-act play, and as a requirement for this class, be dealing with 3 characters, 4 at the very most. If you have many more characters than that, it becomes very difficult to develop them fully, and you end up with a bunch of cardboard cutouts that are not very interesting to watch. It means that you're sort of limited to one set, unless you want to go to area lighting and sort of a limbo set and do that sort of thing. That will work okay. But if you do that, you also need very good stage directions. Minimalist scenery. Remember that you're not writing a movie. It's true that you'll make a hell of a lot more money writing screenplays, but this is not a screenplay class. This is a one-act play class, and the emphasis here is on story structure and developing really good three-dimensional characters. Remember that when you're setting up the production values for this play, that there will be, if you're lucky, several other plays going on in the same evening. So you don't want to clutter it up with a lot of useless stuff. Just write out the absolute essential things that are needed for your script, and that's it. Why are we doing a one-act play? Well, first of all, because to write a full-length play in a class this size and then go back and have everybody read them all and discuss them would probably take the rest of the year. We don't have that kind of time. So the one-act play is a much easier to deal with structure, and trust me when I tell you that it'll be plenty for you to do by the time the semester is over. Okay, any questions, see me in the chat room. Bye.